I feel you are annoying. I think maybe we say this as a language sometimes, but it doesn't really make sense. How can I feel that you're annoying? And the answer is I can't. So in nonviolent communication, we try to split the concept of feeling and think. Feeling is all my internal. I know how I feel. You may not know how I feel, but I can express it. I can tell you, I feel confused right now. Because I can never know how you feel, the only way I can do this is by asking you. If I think that you're annoying because you are not meeting my need, if I simply say something like, I feel you are annoying, I am both failing to express how I truly feel, and I'm saying words that may make you feel blame. So it's really important as an adult, especially working with kids, that we're very careful how we feel. And we make sure that we express our feelings as a reflection of our internal state. I feel happy. I feel scared that you're climbing the wall. I feel angry that you broke all my pencils. I feel happy that, it's a holiday and we're just about to go have a good fun day to play together. It's really important to express our feelings as the internal state. But remember, you never know how a kid feels. You have to ask.